Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Mint. If you don't have a Mint account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page, then click on Sign Up. To create an account, enter all the required information, such as your email, phone number, then create a password you wish to use. Next, confirm your password on the fourth field. Then click on Create Account. To confirm your identity, a verification code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Once you receive the verification code, enter it. Then click on Continue. Now, select the country you're located. Then enter the zip code. After entering, click on Continue. Then here, choose an account to link. Use the search bar and search for the bank or credit cards you wish to link. Or you could just select from the options below. In this video, I'm going to link my Bank of America account. To proceed, click on Continue. On the pop-up window, enter your bank credentials. Then click on Submit. To verify your identity, an authorization code will be sent to your phone number. Select how you wish to receive it, either via text message or phone call. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Lastly, read the terms and conditions. Then click on Share My Data. That's how you sign up for Mint. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.